It's been a while. It's been a long time. What's up, beautiful people? Elfin Hair. I'm back a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. So I received a package, girl, from this company, Elfin Hair. This is what the package looks like. It kind of got destroyed in the mail, which sucks because it's a really cute box. They sent me over this wig to try out and see how I like it. Came with a wig cap, cute little satin bag to put the wig in, and of course, the wig. Okay, so this is the 22 Glueless Invisible Half Wig 3-in-1 Pixie Curls. The direct link is actually in the description box below where you can go and pick that up. Look at this. That is so nice. The hair, oh my gosh, the hair is real soft. Wow, sorry. This is what the cap looks like. It comes with clipped hair. You also have these clips here on the side. Boop, 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 boop. And then at the bottom, you have your drawstring, you know, the normal stuff. You also have these bra strap clips that you can use to fasten the wig or to make it a little bit tighter if it's too big. Yeah, so the wig is like very brown. See, this is a real color of it. So I want to dye it. So that's what we'll be doing right now. I'm just gonna be using some semi-permanent dye here. I'm using the Adore Off Black, and then I'm also going to be mixing that with this natural black from this other company. I've never used this one before. I've used Adore before, so I know I can rely on that. Today, this hair is black. Girl, it's black, black. Ooh, okay, so the black looks good. So what I did was wash my hair, added my leave-in conditioner, and twisted it up. I also used a little bit of mousse, foam mousse, to get my hair to kind of have a little bit of hold. Color blends. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I don't know what's gonna look like in the sun. Good enough for me to wear out on the road. All right, I'm just going to add some layers to the hair because the front of my hair is long, but it doesn't hang as low as the wig because obviously shrinkage is real. And my first style I'm gonna show you guys with this wig is I'm gonna be putting up the front of my hair into this high little ponytail, and that's it. Look at that, boom, 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 and I'm ready to go. And then look at this, so pretty, simple, easy, and very, very cute. So now I'm gonna be adding a little bit more of that jam because your girl loves her hair shiny, clearly. I'm also really heavy-handed with my products. I pulled my hair back and I added this headband. I've been trying to wear this headband for months now, and it was looking cute, very, very cute. This is style number 2, super easy, super simple. My hair is blended really nicely with this wig. And then I was like, let me go get one of my other bedazzlements, and I added this claw clip. This was the look that I fell in love with. Pulling my hair back nice and sleek off my face. It just looks so beautiful, so elegant. I loved this look so much. It is the next day, and what I did, I slept in the wig and I went to the gym. So I used some jam, slicked down the front of my hair, boop, 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 just slicked it back, slicked it back, slicked it back, twisted it one time and clipped it in place, tied it down and left it overnight. And then this is the hair. And I'm specifically wearing black today because I dyed the wig. I don't want it to run on any of my good clothes. I don't know that it will, but just in case it does. Just gonna do a little bit of water. It's pretty, like, look at this. It's so, so pretty. What I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of mousse to the ends. I don't need it at the top, but just to the ends. Because I like my hair poofy. I like my hair big and poofy because I got a big body, so I need it to balance out. Little bit of hair don't look good on my body. My body need volume. Turn up the volume. All right, so this is what it looking like. Look at these curls. These curls are so beautiful. They're so beautiful. The hair is very, very soft. It doesn't get matted. It doesn't get tangled. It takes really well to washing. It takes really well to being dyed. I don't know about bleaching because I didn't bleach. I just dyed it. I just added some semi-permanent dye to it, and it doesn't come off on my hands, which is wonderful. I don't know if you can wear it with a white top, but you can definitely wear it with a back top. So yeah, girl, go ahead and pick up this wig. I love this. I'm gonna be rocking this for the next couple weeks. I need to get a thumbnail. I haven't done this in so long. But